So let us now take a look at the emission standards of air impurities for the pulp and paper industries.
Assalamu alaikum. For this video, we are discussing pulp and paper industries emission standard environmental quality clean air regulations 2014 of the Malaysian Environmental Quality Act 1974. I am honored to be here with you. For those who have subscribed, I pray to God all the blessings in all your undertakings, so that having a higher level of understanding in the environmental law, therefore minimizing, if not eliminating, any legal liability thereof. Why we are subscribing to third schedule. How do we subscribe to this regulation? As we enter this law, the trick is to read regulation 13 first. All activities listed in the first schedule shall subscribe to emission standard of the third schedule, okay, and second schedule as the case may be. What I display before you right now is the first schedule, pulp and paper industry, and according to the law, including paper recycling industry of all sizes, big or small. Interpretation of regulation 13, industries in the first schedule shall be referring to emission standards stipulated in the third schedule. That is why we are here. This is the tabulated display or representation what is written in the law. Different types of paper processing, recovery furnace. Hydrogen sulfide is not regulated. Nitrogen dioxide and particulate matter. The nitrogen dioxide must be less than 2 kilograms for every ton of air-dried pulp processed. So you got to have a throughput value. The particulate matter shall be less than 150 milligrams per cubic meter all the time. Now let's go into lime kilns. Only 2 parameters as well, hydrogen sulfide and nitrogen dioxide. If you see the limits in blue fonts, it simply means that there is no need for continuous emission monitoring under the law unless otherwise required by the authority. This is only requiring periodic sampling under regulation 16, which requires only 1 time per year. Now let's take a look at sulfide mills. Total sulfur, only 1 parameter for sulfide mills, and for kraft and others, total sulfur, the law says, shall be less than 1.0 kilogram for every ton of air-dried pulp being processed. I believe there is no need for continuous emissions monitoring here, at least once per year, sampling and analysis and reporting to the DOE. I hope I am clear. Please be careful with the units, some in milligram per meter cube, some in kilogram per ton. Okay, I end this video with Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Have a good day and take care. Stay safe. Bye bye.